So today I am going to unbox this parcel that I got from Amazon. Let's see what we have inside it. Double open end spanner. Okay, let me open the bubble wrap so that it will be more clear. Stanley. Okay, here double open end spanner 6, 8, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 30, 32. MRP is 989. Packaging date is 8th of 2021. 1.610 kg. High grade chrome vanadium. Okay, looks nice. Let's see what we have inside it. This looks cool. Here it is. Isn't it beautiful? Like total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. From the smallest one to the biggest. That is cool. The smallest one, if I measure, as you can see, it's just around 9 centimeter, and if I measure the biggest one, it's really big. 32, 30. This is around 25 centimeter. Yeah, build quality seems good. It's not that heavy, but yeah, it looks good. Here there is a kind of not protruding structure. Yeah, as you can see here, it's an anti-slip, so that this bolt doesn't get slip. So this is the structure that they have provided here. This is something new here on this tool set. Even on the smaller one I can see the same design. It's cool.